Hello friends, today in this video I am going to cover how you can make a 3D layer hover effect with the help of HTML and CSS. As you can see this example, when I hover this image, then you can see a upward motion which look very nice to this. So let's create it. Before creating it, I want to remind one thing that I have put down the source code of this in the description. Check it out. For creating this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named 3D hover effect using CSS3. On clicking on it, you can see three things. First is the image, second one is the index.html, and third one is the style.css. First one is required to creating the hover effect, second thing is creating the markup, and third one for styling our markup language. Let's open with our code editor, which is VS Code, or you can use anything that you have. On opening on it, I have written all the basic syntax of markup. Here I have used HTML tag, head tag, body tag, and inside the head tag I have used title to giving the title to my web page. Here I have an image as I already shown to you. And here in this is the image, and here in the CSS I have imported the Google font for beautiful handwriting. If you don't know, then come to your browser, search for Google fonts at the top, and here you can add any style. At the bottom you can get the link, or you can import it to your CSS file. Here in the body section I have put it the margin 0 and padding 0 and font family Poppins. I have used going to the index.html. I have to create a div of class container, and here I have to put the images that I have shown sometime below ago. So here I have put it down the 5 images, because for the smooth transition, and 5 images are required. It depends upon your dimension of the image. For my image it is 5. So here you can see this login page image, and coming to the live server you can see the preview. Here there have been 5 images shown in the browser, and then let's style it in the style.css. Coming to the body section, display will become flex, and align items will be center, and width will be 100% according to any device, and justify content will be 100% so that it will become responsive, and height will be 100 vh. As you can see in the style.css I have linked. If you do find some mistake in this video, please comment it down so that in the next video I will improve it. Here in the container I have put it down the width and the height so that the all the images have come into the center, and here position will be relative, and I will clue the idea that why I have put in the position relative. Here the transition is 1 second. When I hover, there will be a effect for 1 second. Then transform rotate minus 30 degree. As you can see that all the images have been tilted. And then coming to the editor, here skew means downward side. I have put it the 30 degree so that it will be like tilted. Just I have put it the my phone on the table, and here the container I am styling the image, and in this width will be 100%. Check it out. If you have not checked it out, I have provided the source of this tutorial in the description. If you do find some mistake in this tutorial, then please comment it down also. Then here in the container I have to put the hover effect. When I hover to an image, then what will happen? So here as you can see the preview, here the dot container. In this, when I hover to this section, then the image of an child, I have put in the 5 images. So I am selecting the last one. One will come on the top. So translate means having a transition to the upward side. So I am creating at the y-axis. So here I have put it down 120 by minus 120. As you can see, when I hover, there have been no smooth transition. For this I have created a transition in the image part. So there have been a smooth transition after this adding, and here you have to copy this down, copy this code for 5 times, and changing the value as per the sequence 5 4 3 2 1, as I have 5 childs. And here you have to also change here you have also changed the translation 0. There have been a 30 pixel gap from each image, so you have to remember. So 0 pixel, then there have been a bottom at the, then 30 pixel, then minus 30 pixel. then again here this will become 60 pixel, then this will become minus 60 pixel. As you can see, there have been 4 layers here. Then coming to this, here put down 90 pixel and here 90 pixel. All this thing have been completed and this result is there. But do you think there have been some mistake here? I have put in down the opacity is always 1 for each child, so I have to change it from 0.8 a 0.28 gap, so that there will be a visual what you can say, or magic you can say. Here there is 0.2. After this hovering, you can see what this look great on the website if you design to your own self. And check it out, I have provided the source code in the description. And thanks for watching this video till end, and I hope that you will success.